Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering and protecting your images. Copy originals into a cataloged folder and make a quick backup. Open your editor and enable GPU acceleration so previews and exports are faster. Next, set the working color profile to sRGB or Adobe RGB and choose 16-bit to retain detail. This matters because it prevents banding during heavy edits. Once done, import a small selection to work on first, so you can apply corrections consistently across the set. You now move into the detailed corrections and creative choices. Start with global controls. Fix exposure, refine white balance and balance contrast, highlights and shadows to reveal detail. Then use local tools, brush, radial or gradient, to dodge, burn, or selectively sharpen, heal spots and remove distractions with cloning. Make creative changes on separate adjustment layers or masks so you can fine-tune later. This non-destructive approach keeps originals intact and speeds iteration. You finish by choosing export settings that match your destination. Resize to target pixels, pick JPEG, PNG, or TIFF, and apply output sharpening for screen or print. Embed the working color profile and export with clear version file names so you can track edits. If something goes wrong, colors look off, previews glitch, or exports fail, check the color profile mismatch first, update GPU drivers, and reset app preferences as a quick fix. If that fails, revert to the backup originals and reproduce steps with smaller batches to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.